Hello, this is Walton Guerrero, and I'm going to show you how to start a Honda with a smart proximity entry. Okay, whether you have the remote that looks like this or maybe has less buttons. Okay, you pull the emergency key, you move the release here, and then after you get the key out. Okay, you unlock the door. Once you open it, basically all you're going to do is press the push start button for 2 seconds. Then once the green light comes on, you have 10 seconds to be able to get the vehicle into accessory or run, and then at that point you're able to start it by just pressing the brake and holding it. Okay, then go to your closest Walmart or replacement, closest store to get a replacement battery, and then you'll be able to drive the vehicle with the proximity, with the smart entry proximity. Again, let me do it one more time. You grab the remote that has a dead battery, you just press it once, hold it there for 2 seconds, and then now you have, within 10 seconds from that green light coming on, you can either press the brake and start it, or you could have just pressed this, get the vehicle to go to run and get all the lights working, and then press it to turn it off. Again, any remote that looks like this with that red push start button. Thanks for watching.